Question.
Question. What is neuropathy?
No, don't do this to me.
Yes, don't live here.
Oh no, please.
I can go back in.
When your stuff goes numb. I have that.
I'm not sure. It's like you have circulation problems in your hands.
What is the leading cause of neuropathy?
Diabetes.
Bad circulation.
If you have diabetics,
It's diabetes, yes.
What foods should you avoid if you have neuropathy?
I don't think a food affects that.
sugar. I don't.
Carbs. Oh, rice would be a big no-no. I love rice. My downfall.
What should you do if you have neuropathy?
Red light therapy.
I like that.
You should come here and we'll help you out with that. As doing red light therapies.
I am not sure. I'd ask Dr. Mike.
It's nerve damage due to lack of blood flow, typically found in the feet, in the hands,